Now, if you guys have been following the Dogecoin trade with us, you are up a good 300% on this trade. That's right, guys. We actually caught the entirety of this move. Now, how do we see this really unfold? Well, number one, we notice this beautiful, beautiful falling wedge pattern, which is a bullish pattern on a technical standpoint. Not just that, we caught it on the breakout right here. But it didn't end just there, because we actually had a beautiful, beautiful, very bullish cup and handle formation in the making. Now, the last time we spoke about Dogecoin, it had already broken out of this beautiful formation. This was where price was at the last time we spoke, at around 37 cents. We were actually hovering over 37 cents, and this is what I told you guys. Let's rewind. We know 37 cents is a key region of resistance. We need to see if it flips into support. We know that volatility is super, super high. We're looking for signs of buyer exhaustion. Now, if today, especially specifically on the 12-hour time frame, we start seeing weakness, we start seeing that, hey, there is no more follow through from the bulls in this region, and prices start wavering at around 37 cents, that's when we can look for a much deeper pullback. I'll be looking for the dynamic cloud to make its way all the way up to this green box territory as well, so we'll have a bit of confluence in that area. If Dogecoin actually continues to show strength over 37 cents, let's just say you put in a bull flag, right? We are looking for further continuation to the upside. All right, let's pause. Fast forward to today's price action. This is where we last spoke about Dogecoin at. Price was actually hovering over our region of resistance at around 38 cents. However, we did not see any candle closes. And I'm going to urge you guys now to wait for those candle closes to see if price actually clears out a level. All right, that way you're not just jumping into a trade looking for immediate continuation to the upside, wherein you could have been waiting on a pullback opportunity. Now, did Doge give people a pullback? Yes, it did. However, the momentum is so strong on this chart that it did not get down to our bid zone. But I'll say this, I actually have a hack on catching Dogecoin's trend right now. Okay, I'll show it to you at the end of the video, so make sure to stick around for that. Now we have what we're looking for. We wanted to see a breakout, right? But it was not just that. I told you guys that, hey, if Doge actually consolidates here, we could be staring at a bull flag. And do we have a bull flag? Yes, we do. So the implication of what happened here was actually pretty insane. There are three patterns here actually unfolding on Dogecoin's chart. One is a minor pattern, one is an intermediate pattern, and one is a major one. Okay, so we're looking for these crazy targets to the upside. Funny enough, I am teaching the patterns trading module right now on the Sprouts program. So just a heads up, for those of you interested, you'll find it on the mango.markets/sprouts. Now, check this out. As far as the minor pattern is concerned, it's an inverted head and shoulders pattern, a bullish one. Now, if I go ahead and take the measured move of that and plot it on the break, where is that going to take Doge up to? That's going to take us all the way up to 51 cents. Now, that's just the minor pattern. But now let's consider the bull flag. The measured move of the bull flag will take Dogecoin much higher. We are looking at all-time highs once again at that $1 mark. But now what else lines up with the $1 mark? And that was none other than the weekly cup and handle formation, to which we already have a break. It's going to take Dogecoin close to $1. So now there is confluence at that dollar mark. We got the cup and handle as well as the bull flag pointing up to $1 per Dogecoin. So this is to say, I don't think Doge's move is over. I say we're going even higher, likely getting up to all-time high. Yes, there are going to be these minor pullbacks on the chart, but those pullbacks are for the taking right now. Okay, I'm looking for $1 on this move. From where price is at right now to that $1 mark, all of those targets, cup and handle, bull flag, that's a good 137% to the upside still. And is that the final target? No, it doesn't have to be the final target, because we're in a bull market. That is blue sky breakout for Doge. Now, if you're someone looking to capture this next trade on Doge, definitely check out the BitUnix campaign. They're giving you $150 for free for a $200 deposit. You still have about a week, I believe, left on the campaign. You can use it to beef up your current positions or even practice your leverage trading with, but it's a rather generous one, so take advantage of it while it lasts. I'll be linking the campaign down in the description below. Now, as far as Doge's next trade opportunity is concerned, for that, get into the 12-hour time frame. Now, the main question that everyone's got is, well, should I be buying Doge right here since it's looking so bullish, since we're expecting $1? Is this a good bid opportunity, or can we actually get another tap of that 38-cent region, because honestly, a bid at 38 cents would be so easy to manage. In case price breaks that region, you know you are wrong very, very fast. You get to get out with a minimal loss, or hell, even break even and reposition for a much better bid on the chart. You always want to capture those easy mango trades, the stress-free ones. Well, to figure out if we're going to see a pullback here, get into the mango dashboard. Now, you guys will find this on app.mangoresearch.co, and I want you all to just pause and take note of something that's happened here. Doge's trading volume has outperformed Bitcoin now for the past 48 hours. It's literally top on the list, even in front of Bitcoin. That's insane. That just shows you how much interest there is right now on Dogecoin. Returns are positive for the most part, minus the 4-hour time frame. You can see that the 4-hour time frame is taking a pullback. However, if you had your notifications set in and you caught the trend flip on any of those higher time frames, you are up at the minimum 146% on the 12-hour time frame. However, now there is one thing alluding to a pullback opportunity, and that is this: volatility hovering at 79 on the 4-hour time frame, as well as volatility on the 12-hour time frame hovering at 81. Now, usually when volatility expands these high red numbers, that's when I look to see if the bears are getting exhausted. Is this a region on the chart where they could be getting exhausted at? It's usually at resistance where the bulls often see exhaustion. I urge you guys to use the dashboard to filter out coins worth trading right now, as well as to figure out if you could see a pullback on any of the coins that you're looking at. All right, you don't want to jump in on breakouts. If there is a pullback coming, the dashboard is going to tell you about it. So as far as the pullback is concerned, this is going to be your bid zone, and this is primarily hinged off of the Mango dynamic indicator. I want you guys to notice that ever since Dogecoin's trend started right here, much before we even broke out of that beautiful cup and handle formation. The trend started as soon as we actually broke out of that beautiful falling wedge. But as soon as the trend started, dynamic turned green, we had a positive slope on it, and so far every single visit of dynamic support, every time prices came down there to tap that region, the buyers stepped in and picked prices up. If there's any region that has proved to be a really good bid opportunity, one that is going to be easy for you to manage, it's been the 12-hour dynamic support. Now, last time we spoke about Dogecoin, it rallied so hard that it was way out of equilibrium when it came to dynamic support. Notice even during this consolidation, prices got down to the 12-hour dynamic, and that's where the buyers stepped in to pick price up once again. Now, we've officially seen a breakout of that beautiful inverted head and shoulders pattern, so I'm looking at the current bid zone as the retest of the breakout of that pattern, as well as down to dynamic support at 38 cents. I'm going to zone mine out. Oftentimes what happens is that I always place my bid on one number, hoping to get that one number. Prices actually pulls back, but it misses my bid by a couple of cents. It just grinds my gears, okay? So one tip I'm gonna give you guys is, well, zone your bids out, okay? So now this is the current bid zone that we're looking at. As far as your invalidation is concerned, keep it simple, stupid. What is the one signature that we're seeing on the chart? Price relative to the 12-hour dynamic. As soon as we start breaking dynamic support right here, comes in at around 35 cents, invalidated on the trade. Keep it as simple as that. It is your duty to get out of the trade and reposition lower, because hey, you can now capture a better bid on the chart. As far as targets to the upside are concerned, this is my first target at around 49 cents. From the bid zone all the way up to 49 cents, that's going to be a good 20% to the upside on that swing. And once I start seeing candle closes over 49 cents, I'll be looking for Doge to test its previous all-time high, which comes in at 73 cents per token. From where price is at right now to 73 cents, that's a good 77% on that move alone. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like. Don't forget to take advantage of the $150 for free on BitUnex. I'll be linking it down below. And also let me know if there's any other coin you want me to cover in the next update. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.